Bonafide Hustler here, and today we're hitting up garage sales, really anything we can get our hands on. It's a windy, cold morning here in Austin, Texas, and we want to take you guys with us. Let's go! What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the inside of E-Money's spaceship. We just came out of one garage sale. Let me show you what I found real quick. E-Money, what are you doing? You cold?
It's super windy out here.
I know. So, what did you get from that garage sale?
So something for the summertime to get those pesky little mosquitoes off of me. Mario Party 8 for the Wii, $1.
$1. Cool, that should resell for what, like about 10, 20 probably? I haven't
25.
Looked. 25? Okay, cool. I got a John Hart bag right here. Don't know if you can see it. Got a John Hart kind of tote, weatherproof tote. And I also got a Wii Mario Kart, which I think this is like a $14 game right there. So got that.
Here we go.
Here we go. Let's get the hell out of here. Yeah, so we're going to be hitting up garage sales today. Filming on kind of a different camera, so it might be kind of weird for a little bit. We're going to get used to it. Should have it down pretty soon. The bag was $2. The game was $1. The bag I'm probably going to use for a little bit, then I'll flip it for around 20, 30, something like that. Not exactly the flip I'm looking for, but I do want to have a weather kind of proofy tote thing that we can take the dog stuff around it. So anyways, for $2, that's great, because you go to any store and try to find something like that quality, it's gonna be, you know, $30 plus. So all right, we found a garage sale down there. We're gonna check it out. Who knows what we'll find? You never know. Let's see. All right, so we didn't find anything there, but it is what it is. We're gonna go, like I said, today's gonna be a little bit more of like some thrift stores, maybe like 3 more garage sales, nothing crazy, but let's see if we can find them. You never know. Let's see if there's anything else that we can find here. There's an 80M brush here, it looks awesome. So we're gonna go Central instead and see if we can make something happen in Central Austin. Who knows? Hey, I'll take anything I can get on a day like this. I'm telling you, it's just windy, cold, crappy. I mean, I cannot be picky on a day like this. I always say it's the simple things in life that really matter. Like a really cool sunrise that is right here, peeking around the horizon. Check it out. That is awesome. E-Money, is that awesome?
Yeah, I can't wait to get up closer to it.
Yeah, let's get closer to the sun, E-Money.
Yeah.
It's only how many, okay, what is it? How many miles? Take a guess right now.
Okay, you ready? Hang on.
No, what?
Hang on.
That's for $2? Okay, all right. I'm gonna guess whoever's closer. What's your guess?
Where is it?
What's your guess? I know you have it in there, so what's your guess?
Okay. 3,000 miles.
That's your guess to the sun?
Yeah.
3,000 miles. All right, I guess
No.
3,001. All right, let's see who's closer. E-Money, you're so, oh my gosh.
Dude, why'd you have to Price is Right me?
I totally Price is Right to you. All right, hold on. How far is the sun? Question mark. All right, it's only 92,958,000, something like that. All right, so E-Money clearly lost his $2 now. Done. I got it back. Get it out of there. It's in there somewhere. I'm getting it back. 3,000 for real?
3,001?
Yeah, I knew I was gonna win it regardless. I wanted to say like, I was honestly gonna say like 3 million.
How far are we away from the sun?
That's how far we are, essentially. You stupid. Like right now? Or right now? Or right now? We are technically traveling. We're getting closer to it, arguably, because we're heading in the direction of it. Anyway. 3,001. I Price is Right him. I Price is Righted you, man. So we're gonna head to Central, see some thrift stores, kind of post up. I have to go to a farmer's market today too to get some extraordinary eggs. I have to do that today at some point. We have the cooler back here, but I don't know what we're gonna find. I'm pretty sure we're gonna find something good, right? Today?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll find something good today. pulling up the Stonehouse coffee, and let's see if we can get something good. We need some caffey waffy, man. We need some caffeine. We need some caffeine like a champ. Tag me in! I tagged you in! Got 2 cortados today, not dopios, but I'm gonna check it out and see how it is. E-money, let's go! Is that my $2? Give me my $2.
Here's your $2.
The screen on this thing is like really, really small that we're filming on, so I'm gonna have to get a little closer.
All right, cheers.
Cheers. Cortado from Stonehouse Coffee here in Austin, Texas.
Ah! This is way better than last week.
Ah! It's really, so good.
These are like
I'll give it a 2.5. I keep on this camera. I keep looking at the screen. I need to look at the lens. Like it's just not. I'm not used to it yet. But anyways.
3 this week, man.
It's $2. Feels good to be back in my hands. If you watch my channel, you knew how this first exchanged our hands. But anyways, yeah, I got $2. Someone said that these are actually not rare, but in circulation they're semi-rare because nobody has them.
Sure.
But they're not really rare. You can go to a bank and get a bunch of these. So I got a lot of smart people that are commenting on my videos. You guys are always like super funny, smart, I don't know, eye-opening. So when I ask you to comment on my videos, like I like to read the comments. I really do. All right, let's go thrifting, man. Let's go thrifting.
Okay.
Let's go thrifting, Newton. What movie? What's that? Newton. What movie? All right, we're almost to the Goodwill, listening to some Bob Moses. Really, really good stuff. But yeah, maybe we'll find something here. You know, never know what we'll find this place. That's the best part about this Goodwill. Just never know, E-money.
What's the last thing that you wanted in an auction here? Or just in general?
Oh, I know. It's a coach bag. I know that for a fact. Oh, there it is. There it is. So there's a lady that works here that calls me Mr. Sagittarius. And she likes me. These Azzolo boots might get these. That looks pretty interesting. You've got the biggest cart on earth, dude.
No,
that is so big. E-money, what are you doing?
The other one was like... This season's like...
Season's now, that's the thing. I've been selling all my stuff. A nice jacket too.
Feel this.
This looks like a Eagle Creek bag right here. It is. But it's got some significant wear and tear. It's too bad. Oh, Johnny Walker mirror. That's like super basic. What's it
It's the minimalist type of thing.
Wow, nice trainer. What do you think that's worth? About 100?
Yeah, I'll probably do like 100 on it, but that's what it is.
Yeah, cool. Nice, you got a fluid trainer. I'm gonna get into this. Here's a brand that you might not know about, Southern Tide. It's a rising brand in the past 2 years. This is a down vest right here from the Sport Model series. That should sell for, this one should sell for around 80, I would think. That's what we're getting so far. We've pretty much scoured this entire Goodwill. This is what we've found, so pretty good. There you go. You got your bike trainer?
Yep.
Put it in your bed, man. Why would you? Oh my gosh, you're gonna put it in your truck?
Here.
There go your windows and everything, man.
No way.
That thing is not exactly light. Oh yeah, in this box right here we have I think it's a $10 pair of boots, Sorel boots, sold for $73 last night. Oh my gosh. Adios. Adios, headliner. Oh.
No way. Here we go. Get out of here.
Oh my gosh, you have a truck, Emerson. What are you doing? This is what I have to deal with all the time. This is E-money in his thinking right here. There's a truck bed. Last I checked, there was this thing in the back. And now you want to throw this thing here.
Come on now, that's why I bought a truck. And put things inside.
Okay, so we're gonna see if we can get a garage sale or something around here. It's turning out to be a nice day. The wind has subsided considerably, and we'll see if we can find anything. These next garage sales are See if we can go to another thrift store or garage sale, whatever. I know there's a performance bike that's closing down.
Oh, I
Maybe
just
there's
got
some
an
good
email
deals.
on it.
We'll see. I forgot my glasses today, so I was like, E-Money, you have any glasses? And this is what he gave me. He gave me these things. Dude, I swear I'm about to go to Ibiza and party it up, man.
Those might be 10 years old.
I'm telling you, dude. This is, hey, when's Tiesto playing?
Tiesto's playing
Oh my God.
this Saturday night.
E-Money
right after, what is it, Aoki. He's going to kick you in the face.
E-Money, is there a cover charge to this Goodwill?
No. What is all this stuff?
You gotta get these stupid glasses off. This is embarrassing. Here, look at that. Let's see what we got here. Anything?
No, just...
Head jacket, no. No. Some pretty awesome snowboard pants right here. Marked at 80 bucks from some previous thrift store. Marked at 15 bucks here. These are actually really cool. Good looking snowboard pant. Pretty cool looking Red Wings. Yeah, might have to get these too. We'll see. Ooh, there's stuff on the bottom, but 25 bucks. Let's see what the model is. Alright, so I got these really awesome DC snowboard pants. I paid like 15 bucks for them. These things are awesome. They're almost like a waxed material. In fact, they are classified as waxed material. Really nice pants. These are awesome. Tapered, everything.
They're like bell bottoms.
So cool. Anyways, these are 15 bucks. I think, you know, on a local sale, it'd be like a $60 sale. And on a eBay sale, probably around like 80 or so. Got these Hoka Stinson trails right here. These are women's in very good condition, even though it doesn't look like it. They're in very good condition. 16 bucks, around 16 bucks. And these should sell for around 80. I want to get like a super home run.
Did you hit TLP yet?
Getting close. I mean, getting there, yeah. Just not a super home run. These glasses, dude.
I was about to say, are
in
you
the
going to a
comments,
party?
Is this douche or is it not douche? Is it douche or not douche? Is it?
Hold on, do two different views. Do option A.
All right, this is option A.
Okay.
Or do you want option B?
Oh my gosh.
Hideous.
Yeah.
All right, so we're here at Performance Bike right there. Let's see if we can find any deals in here. I don't imagine there would be any crazy deals. You never know. So I want to see if there's any cool bikes to get. That's not good. So we didn't find anything in there. The prices are just crazy high. This one's going to close in like 6 to 8 weeks, you guys said. The prices are just like astronomically high. Poor company, but then again, you just, you know, if you don't adapt, and pretty much I think things like Amazon and Nash Bar and all those other companies like killed this one. This is what it is. So we didn't find anything there, but we're gonna go to this farmer's market. We gotta get some eggs. Eggs! We're in the midst of downtown. Yeah, downtown Austin is looking like this these days. It's getting crazy. Condos everywhere and stuff. But yeah, we got a farmer's market right here. It doesn't quite look like it, but it is a farmer's market. They haven't put their little awning things on because it would blow away in the wind. It's very like high wind today. But yeah, we're gonna go get our eggs, which we did pre-order. I mean, the eggs go so fast, probably within the first 30 minutes or an hour on all the booths in this farmer's market. And all the eggs that you're gonna find here are gonna be pasture-raised eggs. And these are very, very, very good eggs. Super high, rich in omega-3 fatty acids. They are incredible, and they taste immensely different than a normal egg out there. So anyways, dude, some guy really, really, really wants to be right here. That is so weird. This guy just stopped right here. You can't.
Mind-boggling.
You can't even. You can barely open your door, you money. So I'm gonna get into this farmer's market, man. I don't want to. I can't wear these glasses. I can't be seen in public with those things. Let's go get these eggs, man. Dropped off pretty. Let's go all the way to Colorado River. What's up, buddy?
Man.
You're gonna be on my vlog today.
Sweet.
Yeah. What's up, dude? Good to see you. We ordered last night from you guys.
I got your eggs marked and set aside.
Cool. You got my eggs. Yes. Best eggs in the world right here. I'm gonna ask you on my vlog.
Yes.
Why are these eggs so good?
Well, we always say a combination of a good feed ration and regular rotation on fresh pasture allows the birds to forage and get the nutritional balance they need to really make the eggs, you know, awesome.
They're amazing. So when you crack these out, these are gonna be like super dark orange, like the best eggs in the world. So anyways, I'm gonna get these into the truck. They look spectacular, man. Yeah, $6 a dozen. You got to pay up for some of this really, really good stuff. And one of the ways that I can kind of sort of afford to do that is to not eat out as much as I normally have been doing. So, you know, I don't know. Once you have these versus most other genres of eggs, it's like really hard to go back the other direction.
Genres of eggs?
Yeah, like there's cage-free, there's normal traditional, there's free range, there's pasture raised, there's 4 different kinds, and this is like the top of the echelon. So, you know, I'll pay up for things like this. It doesn't mean I'm not going to go get an omelet wherever I go in the morning on vacation somewhere, or scrambled eggs, pancakes at some place. Just means the more times that I can make the right decision when it comes to nutrition, I'm going to take that way. Even if it costs me a little bit more, I'm going to do it. And I think you guys should definitely consider things like that as well. It's like, where can you cut in your life spending so you can actually afford better nutrition? Because you know what they say, medicine is in the nutrition. The nutrition is the medicine. So, you know, a lot of times you can relieve all kinds of crazy ailments and this and that just with good food. All right, let's go Goodwilling and thrifting then. Gotta be open right now. Has to be. All right, we're going to this Goodwill right here. It's the boutique. Could be good, could be bad. Finally?
These aren't slip-ons.
They're not slip-ons though. Why would you care about that?
I mean, I wouldn't.
Bag section looking pretty pathetic. Oh, cool. Those don't really sell for very much, but it's kind of cool. He grabbed that NES controller. He's putting it in. He's just gonna rescue it basically. We're gonna go to tacos right now, so that's what's next. Maybe one more thrift store, but I don't think so. I mean, we'll see. It's just kind of day. All right, we're here at Taco Deli. Oh man, the Girl Scouts are outside. Might have to get some cookies that are gluten-free if they have any. But I'm pumped to eat, man. Let's go. Spice it all up, and then we're gonna eat it, and it's gonna be really, really good. So, see this? That's what's on deck for today. So that was pretty much really good tacos. It was windy, thank God. Oh man, I'm so glad that we were actually inside the place, because like everyone outside, their tacos just blew away in the wind. But we are all good now. I thought it was an okay day. It wasn't the greatest, and it wasn't the worst. E-money, not too bad, right?
No, it's better than what I thought,
Yeah.
considering it's kind of chilly and windy and all that stuff.
Yeah. So it wasn't a bad day. I hope you guys enjoyed the ride along. We'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler video. Take it easy. Goodbye.